If you are thinking about posting more vertical content on platforms like Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, you are definitely not alone. Vertical video has become the default format for modern viewers, and honestly, it is where the majority of digital attention lives right now. Shorts are now monetized, much like regular uploads, so knowing how to shoot, edit, and publish vertical videos efficiently is a massive competitive advantage. I want to walk you through a professional workflow that mixes practical editing tips in software like Final Cut Pro and Premiere with a smarter way to repurpose your content. We will explore how to turn your long-form videos into scroll-stopping vertical clips using an incredible AI tool called Vizard. Think of this guide as a mix of a practical how-to and a major workflow upgrade designed to save you hours of time. Let us start with the absolute basics, which is setting up your project for a vertical aspect ratio. In Final Cut Pro, it is straightforward to go to your file settings and choose a custom resolution like 1080 by 1920 pixels. If you are using Premiere, you can simply drop your clip into a new sequence and manually adjust the frame size to match that vertical standard. Here is a crucial pro tip. If you are shooting in 4K, always try to shoot in landscape orientation first. Shooting landscape gives you all those extra pixels to crop into a vertical frame later, which allows you to reframe for multiple output styles. When you import that 4K clip into your vertical project, you can pan, scale, and reposition your subject to get the perfect composition every time. Once your sequence is set, it is standard practice to mute or delete any reference audio that you do not plan to use in the final export. For your background music, you can use built-in libraries on TikTok or license tracks from services like Artlist if you need guaranteed rights. Always remember that platforms have specific rules regarding song usage, so double-check those terms before you hit the publish button. Next, let us talk about video length, because it is a key factor in how your content performs with an audience. If you are aiming for viral reach, sub-15-second clips are the absolute sweet spot because they are easy to digest and perfect for looping. For educational content or bite-sized how-tos, 60 seconds is usually the ideal target that fits consistently across most social platforms. When you are editing shorter content, you need to start with a strong hook immediately to capture attention. Because the frame is vertical, you must keep the primary action centered to ensure nothing important gets cut off on mobile devices. Quick cuts on the beat help maintain high energy, and both Final Cut and Premiere allow you to line up your edits to waveform peaks. Here is a great workflow trick. Match the motion in one clip to the next, creating an almost seamless transition. If the framing is slightly off, simply use scale, position, and rotation tools to ensure the subject aligns perfectly from shot to shot. Moving on to remote capture, platforms like Riverside.fm are fantastic for exporting vertical clips directly from your browser. This is clutch if you recorded remotely and need to turn around a high-quality clip for your audience quickly. However, this is where the real efficiency gap shows up, because picking the best parts of a long recording takes a lot of manual labor. This is exactly where Vizard comes into play for your content strategy. If you have long-form content like podcasts or webinars, Vizard automatically identifies the best emotional peaks and interesting sound bites. It will generate ready-to-post vertical clips from those highlights without you having to scrub through hours of footage manually. Instead of spending your day scrubbing through an hour-long recording, Vizard surfaces dozens of potential short clips for you. This tool saves you hours and helps scale your content output, which is essential if your goal is consistent posting. Do not get me wrong, Final Cut and Premiere are still king if you want full manual control and complex motion graphics. But for creators who want to maximize volume without losing quality, combining a traditional editor with Vizard's auto-editing is the perfect balance. Use Final Cut for your branding and advanced effects, and let Vizard auto-create your base cuts and thumbnails. You can upload a batch of long videos, pick the best AI-suggested clips, and trim them to create a full content machine. Furthermore, Vizard's scheduling features are incredibly underrated for busy creators. You can set a posting frequency, like 3 clips a week, and let the software handle the distribution so you do not have to babysit the calendar. The integrated content calendar is an absolute lifesaver that lets you manage and publish directly from one dashboard. No more juggling Google Sheets or separate apps because you can drag and drop your clips right into the schedule. For teams, this is great because it lets a social manager see the full plan and all available assets in one view. To summarize the landscape, Riverside is excellent for remote capture, and traditional editors give you the manual control you crave. Vizard sits perfectly in the middle, reducing your grunt work while keeping your creative control intact. One last practical trick. If you have multicam files, you can stack them in a vertical project and position each host in the frame. You can add a thin separator line, compound the whole thing into a single clip, and export it for your mobile device. Vizard's auto-editing and scheduling features can truly compress a week of manual labor into just a single hour. It is not perfect for every single stylistic choice, but for consistent posting, it is the exact time saver I recommend. Remember to keep your clips varied in length, some under 15 seconds for easy loops, and others at 30 to 60 seconds for deeper explanations. If you want to scale your vertical content without burning out, try this hybrid workflow starting today. Record in 4K, edit for polish, and use AI tools like Vizard to automate the heavy lifting and distribution. If you want help setting up that pipeline or a sample schedule, drop a comment below and I will get back to you. Make sure to subscribe for more editing hacks and automation tips because your future self who posts consistently will thank you. I will see you in the next one.